Good evening everyone, again. Right, tonight I've got chicken carbonara with some spaghetti. The best comfort food in the world. It's super easy, super simple, and I'm going to show you how to do it now. So I've got spaghetti cooked here, so this is good to go. I've also got a couple of chicken breasts that I've fried and they're just finishing off in the oven now. So if you want to do that before getting this on the go, do it, and then we'll do the sauce. It doesn't take 10 minutes. So to start, hot pan, oil, and I've just got some finely diced onions here. So fry these. I want to put 3 garlic cloves in, so you can grate these straight in. The pan's not on a really high heat. I just want to sweat them. I don't want any colour on the onions and garlic. Right, onions and garlic are soft. Here I've got some streaky bacon that I've finely sliced. So streaky bacon in. You can use any bacon. Preferably try and get streaky just because it's fattier and more fat, more flavour. And if you can get smoked, because the smoky flavour is really, really good in the carbonara. So fry this a bit more, and that's been frying for a good few minutes, so the bacon's nice and cooked and it's starting to get crispy. And now I want to put some white wine in the sauce. Usually the traditional recipe doesn't have this, but I think it just gives a really nice rich flavour. So we're going to put in about that much, a small glass, and obviously pour yourself some. Buy good wine. You can buy cheap wine, but if you buy nice tasting wine, your food's going to taste nice too. So yeah, if you're not going to drink cheap shit, don't put cheap shit in your food. High heat, and we're going to reduce that now until all the wine is pretty much nearly all gone, and then we're going to add our cream after. Right, our sauce is nice and thick now, as you can see. So, it's so good. I've got the chicken here, so we're just going to finish this off now. So I've got the roast chicken here. Cut it however big you want. I'm just going to do little slices. Chicken in. Parmesan cheese. About 50 grams, but it depends how cheesy you want your carbonara. I should do a little bit of pepper, salt. Adjust it to how you want it, so if you want it salty, add more. And the two last things before serving is, I've got 2 egg yolks here, so we're just going to chuck those in. And also some rocket, so this is going to add a nice green peppery flavour to it. So chop this up. Right. Rocket in. Give it a little stir. The smells coming out of this pan are unreal. So it's important you don't actually cook it much more now, because otherwise the egg will overcook. So it's on 1 at the moment. That's good to go. I've got my drained pasta, spaghetti in, and we're just going to coat it in that amazing sauce. Oh my lord. And that is your carbonara. And this is Yeah, it's rich, creamy, smoky from the bacon. Yeah, peppery. Do it. Very easy and simple. Thank you very much. Bon appetit.